Welcome, and from me is Kenxinda V6, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you want to shut off the device by holding a power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the KXD logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you want to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe cache partition right here. And then confirm it with power key. And once more, select yes, power key to confirm it. And at the bottom, you should see cache wipe complete. So you're basically finished. And now you need to just reboot the device by pressing the power key. And as you can see, we're now in the Android system. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.